G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sophisticated Bogan. Just thought I'd do an update for you guys. The bike sort of had to be put on hold so I can get some things done so I can raise some funds. Anyway, those things are now waiting to be sold, so I thought I'd just give you an update of all the bike parts and the new setup. So I now have a proper marquee up. So this way now, as you can see, things are hanging off it. This is the frame I prefer to use because I can hang stuff and then paint them. But yeah, so I'll sort of show you all the parts that I've done so far as well. These mirrors need more work, but anyway, they aren't stock ones. And there's the frame. Pretty soon this will be, well, I've got to do the steering head bearings, so they'll be getting done. I've already got them. Just got to actually go around to doing it. And I've also still got to get the forks done. Once the forks are done, then I can actually start putting it all back together. Oh, and tyres onto the wheels, but then I'll be able to start getting it all back together. Alright, I'll show you the other parts. Alright, so like as I was saying, outside, once things like tyres are on, fork seals are done, all that kind of stuff, then I can start putting it all back together. But here are all the parts. There's my wheels, the rear wheel hugger, tyre hugger thingamadoogie, the mudguardy thing, exhaust, airbox, swing arm, tank, and also all of those parts in there, and parts in here. So yeah, I've just got some, as I was saying, I've got stuff that's waiting to be sold. So once that stuff's sold, then I can actually start getting this bike back together. So in the next video, we'll be doing that. We'll be getting this bike back together. I've been missing working on it, so just got to get that stuff done. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. Comment. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so I'll see you guys next one. See ya.